Hey YouTube, it's Sean, Griffin RC Planes. It's Saturday evening. I went out and flew for a little bit today. Maybe some of you guys got a chance to go do that. Well, hey, last week it was, I got the new pits. It showed up. And then I showed you guys that it had a hole in the box, and it was in a hole in the box that this came in. Well, I'm normally not that guy, but I became this guy because of this particular plane. This box right here, I don't know how old it is. I'm the third owner that I know of. So who knows how many owners? 30? And the box is in great condition for its age. And these little planes like this, in my opinion, is a collector's item. And the box is half the product. So I sent Horizon a email and asked them for a new box, and they replied the next day saying, we don't just have a box. And I wrote back and said, well, that's a bummer. I said, I just hate to say this, but I want a new box. And they said, here's a FedEx shipping label. They emailed it to me. They said, once you drop it off at a FedEx location, for me to send them an email just to let them know that I dropped it off. And at my work, they pick up FedEx twice a day. So I sent them an email that night before, and I just said, hey, the label's printed on the box. It'll be dropped off at 11 a.m. tomorrow. Well, that was Thursday. Saturday morning, the new one showed up. So they had sent me a new one. I know for a fact that they hadn't gotten the one I mailed to them yet. So that just goes to show you how awesome this company is and how they stand behind their products. So the one that they sent me, the box was good that it came in. This box is immaculate. So I think we should open these up real quick and don't spend a whole lot of time, but let's compare the new one with the old one. And then the old one didn't have any landing gear. So I got some extra landing gear for the new one, and let's see if it fits on the old one. All right, let's open this box up here on the new one. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Let's compare that to the old one. Uh-oh, giveaway fell. You got a close up here. Here they are side by side. Here they are upside down. We got the new one. Take a look at this landing gear here. They look the same. So if you guys are needing parts for the old one, now's your chance to get them, because I couldn't find new parts from Horizon or Tower, except for a tail section. That was all I could find. Now that this new one is out, there's replacement parts available. The landing gear, for example, is EFLU 15255. I think it was $10. See this landing gear go on the old one. Looks pretty straightforward. Looks like you just pinch them together and go in like that, and then they'll spring out and kind of lock in. And I can see down in there, and I don't see anything obstructing it. I can actually see a wire, I think, from like the battery plug wire. There we go. Yeah, they're locked in. That's what you fold them and then push them down, and then they spring out and lock in. All right, I got them side by side. The one on the right is the new one. The one on the left is the older version. I got the hoods off. The first thing I noticed is that the motor on the new one is bigger. It says it's a Spectrum 1208 1900 kV. And the older version says 3000 kV, and it's just a part number. It doesn't say what what size motor it is. And then I noticed the battery plug is different. The new one has a JST type plug, and the old one has the Spectrum E-Flite 2S plug. I wonder why they're different. Are there new batteries that are going to that plug style that I don't know of or something? Maybe. Let me see if I can get some light down in here. Let you guys see inside there. There's the receiver. And here's the old one. Yeah, I don't know if that's helping or not. And then the propellers are different. All right, the propellers are different. The one on the new one is wider. Looks like it's got more of a pitch. The old one's longer. All right, the new one and the previous version. You can see the propellers. Yeah, this one on the left is not on there like it should be all the way.